Alright. Oh, everything been settled. Here we go. Let's see how he rolls. Running around like a retard today. Shit.
And
I almost dropped my phone. He's doing Area 51.
with aliens. Ooh.
And I hear a tape, and there it is.
Hey, where's the aliens at?
They aren't at home.
Then go find the actual aliens. Right there's the spaceship.
Yeah, they are there. You just gotta look around for them.
Wait, where's the alien supposed to be?
They're in like little tube containers up against the wall. Turn the flashlight off. You don't want him finding you right away. You're on the hardest difficulty, right?
No.
Boy!
What level are you playing on? Normal? Pretty much. So he's on normal. Child Edward done nightmare.
That's how you unlock new people.
Just make it to you.
Shut up. They said that they would save me.
Wait, really?
That's what it's saying.
Oasis.
Yeah, I went to the ship. Watching me like right around you.
I'm getting killed by looking around everywhere.
I hear one. No, wait, no, that was some shit. There we go, that should make it easier for you guys to see. Sorry about that. There he is.
Cheeks, you want me to start Charlie?
Heck, I'm gonna buy you one later.
I'll be quiet. I'm just so blurry on my phone.
Hey, there's one somewhere near you. What?
It's blurry on my phone.
Tap where the TV is, or it will straighten it. Does that work?
A little. See how blurry that is? How'd you do that?
What, mine?
Yeah.
Stuff it up a phone.
Ah, darn, I wish I had your phone.
And also, I can mess with my brightness.
Yeah, I can do that too, but I have to go to here. Yeah. So. I can't find it. I can hear it. Here's my brightness. Is that better? What happens if I turn it down some?
Mine's down. No, that's the wrong way of doing it. That's to your phone, not to the game.
Well, how do I do
Or
it?
you're recording.
Bingo!
You can't. So just like focus it on the TV. You found it. Everyone clap your cheek.
We're having to clap our cheeks because we are using our other hand to record. And there's a pickle. Yeah, I'll go look at it for you.
No, you'll kill yourself.
I think he was just trying to show him the pickle.
Well, they haven't noticed that they go to your YouTube channel and find it.
So that's a pickle.
Okay, I'll show you a pickle.
Yeah, do not do it.
Record it.